You can expect a lot from the 2019 Dodge Charger. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including speed-sensitive wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and much more. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.